Welcome to my life plan tips channel, the personal financial channel where we talk about managing your money through budgeting, savings, investing to increase your income in order to retire young. Today we are going to be talking about how to plan and save for a financial emergency. What do you mean by a financial emergency? So many things come to our way and we talk about it. One of the financial emergency that comes along our way is a job loss, yes. It's a disaster or epidemic, yes. Death, yes. Big car repairs, yes. Or a house that is leaking. These are emergencies that come unplanned and are sudden. And when they come and you don't have any fund on ground, how do you handle such situation? This is what we are going to be talking about. So, an emergency savings account is a savings account whereby money for unplanned incidents are kept. We have already mentioned such incidences. And money for school fees is not an emergency. Money for parties is not an emergency. Money to buy ashobi is not an emergency. So we should know the difference between an emergency and other savings, right? So starting